Good morning. Here we are in the gym. It is week 0 of an active rest week. Basically, actually, that's what week 0 is our active rest week. So it's a week, and there may be more than a week this time between the end of my cycle 3 and the start of cycle 4. So this is kind of week 0 of cycle 4. I don't know that I'd officially call it cycle 4, but cycle 3 is done, so we're kind of in between. But anyway, so today what I've got is a stretch routine. It's extend your body, 7 or 8, 9 Pilates moves. So it's kind of a spinal and torso extension routine. And anyway, it takes about 5-6 minutes. And the idea of this week is to basically give our body a rest, our bones a rest, our ligaments and tendons a rest from the weights, and just get a good stretch in and get a good rest in basically, and kind of recovery, full recovery, so we can start back over on another cycle. So anyway, we're gonna get this stretch routine done. I'm gonna head out on a walk. I may do some jogging, probably not today, but I'll probably do some jogging this week and start picking that up again. And I'm not sure how or if I'll incorporate that back into my cycles, or if I'll just do them just during the rest week. Since I don't know if I'd consider it rest if I start jogging. I might wear myself out again, but anyway, let's get this done. Get this old extend your body done, and go out on a walk, and we'll come back and chat. Here we go. Let's hit it. All right, so that's got Monday of week 0 done. Well, at least this week of week 0. Yeah, the stretch routine was good. Able to kind of pull in on the abs and extend the spine at the same time. Can definitely start to feel, you know, it talks about pulling your navel into your spine, and I'm kind of trying to do that. And it's kind of I can kind of feel it, but anyway, yeah, no, so that's going well. They'll extend your body. It got me a good stretch, and then the walk, I did jog for 1/4 mile during my walk. So that's kind of what I think I said I was going to try to do, is maybe do some interval kind of walk jog. Maybe right now my watch intervals are set to 1/2 mile, so maybe I'll set them to 1/4 mile and jog 1/4 mile, walk 1/4 mile, jog 1/4 mile, walk 1/4 mile, and see if I can get my 1/4 mile jog times down as far as possible. So anyway, so yeah, that's how that went. So yeah, put the tank top on today. Been warming up, so I still haven't got the tarps off the fans back there. So I need to get on to that, and yeah, I'll have some time off here next week. After middle of next week, I'll maybe got a couple days on my own where my wife will be working, so I won't have to worry about I'll be mowing the lawn and doing the things I need to do. So that'll be one of them. And it's not a more than a 15 to 30 minute job to get them all down, fold them up and stick them in their tote. But yeah, just finding that 30 minutes is difficult. So anyway, so we are done. We are done with Monday. We are ready to head it in, get the coffee, do all the things, get to work, get the work day over with, get on to Tuesday. So Tuesday we'll be doing something similar. I probably will add a cardio day in here, maybe Wednesday and Friday, or Wednesday Hadn't decided yet. So definitely gonna focus on stretching this week. So tomorrow probably be a stretch day. We'll see. I'll take a look at the workouts and see what happens. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Monday. Take care and be safe. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age of grace, folks. You guys go do it. This is Sojourner Vision. We're out. Here we go.